Man, I stillhatte MR. Nico really mug.
Ой, ты сучо на мазинг театр.
My normal klunge, do you know how bad he is? 100%. And also, he can't even control his behavior.
Ел, триасиону чанчон троллис биавиор избичауси окея прифусинг тадауать, летел сиутада. Антицался урфуит формакен ким триатвиутатюай, нотыльс.
Man, I need 2 ting godt sjovl I do to get MR. Nicofiel. Hehehehehehehehehe.
Эй, уайтеришминг форь.
IT's nothing my normal klunge.
Мы грейшали члони, уайт дают им кем редаем катемер. Ничего здеск.
IT's nogle of your business. Anyways, time 2 go to MR. Nikos computer. Erit, no to log in on MR. Nikos computer. Erit, no to vride af bad e-mail tode principal. Ja this offensive e-mailisen overficialysen tode principal. He is about to be very big time.
Мы грейшали члони, уайт явим вдони темер. Ничего с чампутер?
IT's nothing my normal klunge. You are just trying to side time, the date, and the her.
Aka, jeg didn't get atketor semiteng.
Okay class, I just came back from the computer lab. Now let's continue learning math. Grayscale scratch cat, what's 9 plus?
Attention all students and staff, may I please have Mr. Nico come to the principal's office?
Okay class, the principal needs to see me right now. And as for Grayscale scratch cat, I absolutely need you to behave while I'm not here, do you understand?
Yes MR. Nico, I understået.
Okay, good.
Mr. Nico, can you please explain this email you sent to me on Gmail?
What? But Principal Olga, I didn't do it. I would never send this offensive thing to you. I think my computer got hacked or something.
Mr. Nico, don't lie to me, because I heard you do it. I told you not to send offensive things to me. But you didn't care and you called me the worst principal ever who suspend troublemakers for no reason. You sent this to me, not anyone else. I'm sorry to say this, Mr. Nico, but I have no choice, so that means you are fired.
What? No. Principal Olga, I swear, please don't.
That's enough talking, I don't tolerate misbehavior in this school. Now, put your things on your bag, empty your desk, leave this school and never come back to this school ever again.
Man, I can't believe I got fired for what I didn't do. This absolutely sucks. Can my life get worse?
Man, I can't believe that Mr. Nico sent this very offensive email to me. He would never do such a thing to me. But no, he just broke his promise. I hope I don't see him ever again. Wait. What was I just thinking? I should have checked the security footage off Mr. Nico's classroom before getting him fired. Maybe he was trying to tell me the truth. I will be checking the security footage right now to see who actually did it. Wait, what? What the heck is this?
Anyways, time 2 go to MR. Nikos computer. Erit, no to log in on MR. Nikos computer. Erit, når to vritte af bad e-mail tode principal. Ja this offensive e-mail listen overficialysen tode principal. He is about to be very big time.
I knew it. I knew it was one of the troublemakers like Grayscale Scratch Cat. Oh, my gosh. He will be in big trouble when I call him here. Attention all students and staff, may I please have Grayscale Scratch Cat come to the principal's office?
Oh no. I hoppe IT's no da bagdigger dem Nicofiel.
Hello there Grayscale Scratch Cat, do you know why I called you here for?
No. We are me here for.
Well Grayscale Scratch Cat, the reason why I called you here is because I heard that you got Mr. Nico fired.
What? What do you mean? I didn't do it. Nico did it. I just saw him.
Well then, can you please explain this security footage?
Anyways, time to go to Nico's computer. It now to log in on Nico's computer. It now to vritte af bad e-mail tode principal. Ja this offensive e-mail listen overficialysen tode principal. He is about to be very big time. Yes, I did it. I did it because I had Nico very much.
You did what? Oh my.
Principal Auga, do you know how bad he is? 100%. And also, he can't even control his behavior.
Well, the reason why he can't control his behavior is because you keep refusing to do what he tells you to do. And it's also your fault for making him treat you that way, not his. That's it. You are suspended for 3 months. And not only that, but you will also have to redo the whole grade next year. Now I will call Mr. Nico to get his job back.
Wait. No. Please don't do it.
When Principal Auga got done calling Mr. Nico to get his job back.
Oh my god. I knew that it would be Grayscale Scratch Cat. Grayscale Scratch Cat, how dare you get me fired? You know that it's not nice to get someone fired.
But Nico, I am really sorry. Please, forgive me. Pretty.
No. Sorry is not going to work. That's it. Get out of this school right now.
When Grayscale Scratch Cat got home.
Oh my goodness. Grayscale Scratch Cat, are you kidding us right now? I heard everything about what Principal Auga just said. And she said that you got Mr. Nico fired by sending a bad email to the principal on his computer.
But no antira, Nico was treating me 100% bad.
Well, the reason why he was treating you 100% bad is because you keep refusing to do what he tells you to do. And it's also your fault for making him treat you that way, not his. That's it. You are grounded forever. Go upstairs to your room right now and think about what you have done.